Give him a little more gas, Michelle. Good. Super. Very pretty. Then a little circle. Good, and then the haunches in. More with the butt over. Good. Good. Diagonal medium. Soften that neck a little bit. Right, left. Soften the neck. Good. Go. Come on. Go. Good. Work on that right side a little bit. That's a little bit stiffer side, I think. Good. Good. Keep the front legs over. Good. And now your haunches in. Make the butt over more. Good. On the next long side, do like shoulder. You're totally out of shape? Okay, after you rest for a second, then go